So there's a part of our nervous system called the parasympathetic nervous system, which has one nerve called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the longest nerve in the body. It travels from your midbrain. It first interacts with the oculomotor nerve. Then it interferes with the facial nerve. We have 43 facial muscles that express over 100 different emotions. But when you smile, that activates the vagus nerve. Then the vagus nerve travels here. It interacts with the laryngeal nerve. The tone of your voice reflects your mood too. When you sing, activate the vagus nerve. When you chant mantras, you activate the vagus nerve. Then it travels from here to your lungs. If you breathe slowly and deeply, it activates the vagus nerve. It also interacts with the cardiac nerve. So when you bring your awareness to your heart and think of someone you love, then the vagus nerve gets activated. Then it goes through the diaphragm and it goes to all the nerves in the body. The solid organs, liver, kidney, spleen, but also the hollow organs, the stomach, the intestine, the colon. So when you practice yoga, that stimulates the vagus nerve. Yogic practices stimulate every single branch of the vagus nerve. So does Tai Chi, Qigong. In yoga, there are about 35 postures: lying postures, standing postures, sitting postures, forward bends, backward bends, and twists. If you do all of them, you've stimulated every branch of the vagus nerve. So vagal stimulation is the fastest way to relieve pain, in addition to meditation, smiling, chanting, singing, taking really slow, deep breaths, bringing awareness to the heart. And then, which is very important, the vagus nerve actually goes through the intestines and it interacts with the microbiome. The vagus nerve brings information from the brain to the body, and then the body sends back physical signals to the brain. So they're self-regulating mechanisms, all this one nerve, the vagus nerve.